Sawadee Kop. Welcome to Break Time with Monte. Today's story, flash floods in Nan. A 60-year-old man swept away as flash floods hit 8 villages in Nan province. 300 homes swept away and corn plantations damaged. 60-year-old man missing in Nan floods. 300 households hit as riverbanks breached. A 60-year-old man was swept away early Wednesday as flash floods hit 8 villages in Nan province, affecting more than 300 households in the area. Heavy rain caused the Nam Nagob River to overflow, inundating houses, vast agricultural areas, and public utilities across 3 tamboons of Thongchang district. Rescuers are searching for the missing man, identified as Kuk Takam. His house, located near the river, was also swept away by the torrent. The Nan Thong Chang Road was impassable for a short period at the height of the floods, but waters were receding Wednesday morning. Major General Vishak Sirabansap, commander of the Nan Army Circle Peacekeeping Force, and Nan Governor Yukrit Pung Sopa deployed soldiers and officials to provide assistance to flood-hit residents, remove debris obstructing roads, and clean up mud left by the deluge. In Prey, forest runoff meanwhile caused the spillway of Hue Thaptun Reservoir to overflow, flooding Chuang Champu village in Tambun, Taopun, Song district. Local residents were forced to flee their homes. More than 50 houses and 2 factories were damaged. The damaged factories produced OTOP, 1 District 1 Tambun, incense stick containers to make money for the community. The strong currents also swept away the fences of many houses. On Wednesday, local authorities surveyed damage from the flooding and sent fire trucks to remove mud from homes. Agricultural areas, mostly corn plantations, were severely damaged by flooding, according to local officials. In Lampang, forest runoff inundated 2 communities in Wang Nua and Muang Pan districts late Tuesday night. Irkrit Jatankul, head of Lampang Disaster Prevention and Mitigation Offices, Wang Nua branch office, said runoff triggered by several days of heavy downpours caused Lam Hue Mesuk stream to overflow, causing a surge of water to flood more than 20 houses in the Mesuk Wang Nua and Mesuk Pasak communities in Wang Nua district. However, floodwater levels stayed below 1 meter and the situation in the area returned to normal Wednesday afternoon, he said. In Piao, runoff induced by heavy rain ravaged Muang district in the early hours of Wednesday, damaging paddy fields and chili plantations in 10 villages across Tambun, Jampawai. Chai Promlert, Director General of the Department of Disaster Prevention and Mitigation, said floods have hit 3,627 villages in 31 provinces across the country since May 5. A total of 372,443 people from 116,377 households have been affected by the flooding that has so far claimed 2 lives. Flooding has eased in most provinces, Mr. Chachai said. Provincial disaster prevention and mitigation offices are cooperating with military units to help flood victims and survey the damage. Now, today's vocabulary. Agricultural, agricultural. Assistance, assistance. Authority, authority. Branch, branch. Claim lives, claim lives. Commander, commander. Community, community. Container, container. Cooperate, cooperate. Crop, crop. Current, current. Damage, damage. Debris, debris. Deluge, deluge. Deploy, deploy. Director General, director general. Disaster, disaster. Ease, ease. Fence, fence. Flash flood, flash flood. Flee, flee. Force, force. Forces, forces. Governor, governor. Halt, halt. Household, household. Identified, identified. Impassable, impassable. License, license. Incense, incense. Inundate, inundate. Level, level. Local, local. Located, located. Military, military. Missing, missing. Mitigation, mitigation. Mud, mud. Normal, normal. Obstruct, obstruct. Officials, officials. Overflow, overflow. Paddy field, paddy field. Period, period. Pile, pile. Plantation, plantation. Prevention, prevention. Province, province. Public, public. Recede, recede. Rescuer, rescuer. Reservoir, reservoir, resident, resident, ruin, ruin, runoff, runoff, search, search, situation, situation, spillway, spillway, stick, stick, surge, surge, survey, survey, swept, swept, torrent, torrent, unit, unit, utility, utility, vast, vast, victim, victim. That's today's story and vocabulary. You have a great day. I'll see you next time here on Break Time with Monte.